How to download Adobe Lightroom for free on PC or Mac. For this, simply open up your browser, then search for Adobe Suite and then open up the very first link. And this is where it will take you. Now simply scroll down over here, and when we scroll down further, you would be able to find this option of View All Products. Simply click on it. After that, you can either search for Lightroom in the search bar or just scroll down and you would be able to find Lightroom over here. Simply click on it and this is where it will take you. Now select the option of free trial and here select the option of Lightroom and it will give you a 7-day free trial, but it won't charge you until 14 days are over. So this way you would be able to get it for free. If you want a heavy discount on Adobe Lightroom, simply select this option over here, student and teachers, and here you will get more than 50% discount on this particular offer, and you won't be required to give any verification that you are a student or a teacher in order to do this. So this is how you would be able to get it at a huge discount, or this is the way you can get it for free. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.